In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform to create engaging surveys. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting research, or organizing events, Typeform's intuitive interface makes creating surveys straightforward and fun. Let's start by heading over to Typeform's website. When you land on their homepage, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly design. To begin, look for the option to log in or sign up. It should be prominently displayed. If you're new to Typeform, signing up is a quick process, and the good news is that you can use your Google account to simplify this step further. So, go ahead and click on Continue with Google for convenience. Once you click on that, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you want to use for Typeform. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to give Typeform certain permissions to access your Google account. This is standard for Google integrations, ensuring a smoother experience. So go ahead and click Continue, and then when the permissions screen comes up, click on I agree to proceed. Rest assured, Typeform uses this access responsibly to streamline your experience. After you've agreed to the permissions, you'll be greeted with a warm "Let me in" button, indicating that you're almost ready to start creating your first survey. Go ahead and click on it, and you're in. Typeform might prompt you with a few initial questions. It's their way of tailoring the experience to your needs. Answer these to the best of your ability. It helps Typeform understand what you're looking for. Don't worry, these questions are usually very straightforward and won't take much of your time. Once you've answered these initial questions, the next step is to submit your responses by clicking on the Submit button. This is where the fun begins. Typeform will then present you with the option to start from scratch or choose from a template. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's create a unique survey, so click on Start from Scratch. Now it's time to craft your first question. Click on the area indicating where to type your question and get creative. A good survey question is clear, concise, and aimed at getting the insights you need. Perhaps you're looking to understand your audience's preferences or gather feedback on a product. Whatever it is, type in your question here. Next, you'll want to provide your respondents with some options if your question requires them. Again, clarity is crucial, so type in choices that are straightforward and cover the range of potential answers you're interested in. This could be a simple yes or no, multiple choice, or a scale rating depending on what kind of feedback you're looking for. Once you've set up your question and provided the choices, you're almost done. The final step is to publish your survey to make it available to your audience. Look for the Publish button. Its prominent placement makes it hard to miss. Clicking on this button brings your survey to life, allowing you to share it with the world. With your survey published, it's ready to be shared with your audience. You can distribute your Typeform survey through email, social media, or embed it on your website. The versatility of Typeform means it can adapt to various contexts, be it customer feedback, market research, or event planning. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to creating a survey with Typeform. Remember, the key to a successful survey is not just in the tools you use, but in asking the right questions. With Typeform's user-friendly interface and your insightful questions, you're well on your way to gathering valuable data that can inform your decisions. Don't be afraid to explore Typeform's additional features as you become more familiar with the platform. Customization options, analytical tools, and integration capabilities can elevate your surveys, making them not only informative but also a joy for respondents to complete. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to create a survey with Typeform. Dive in, get creative, and start discovering valuable insights today.